When a person has been injured in an accident, it's imperative for that person to follow up immediately with medical care. From the time of the accident itself, emergency treatment may be required. An ambulance should be summoned if the situation is serious. Certainly there should be follow-up to an urgent care facility or an emergency room to make sure there's not any broken bones or other serious injuries that may not be apparent, except for the professional medical provider who's looking at that. They need to go to their doctor's appointments as instructed by the doctor. They should not miss appointments. They should avoid rescheduling appointments too frequently unless there's an emergency situation that comes up. It's important to follow up with medical care as directed and to see specialists as directed by the medical doctor. It's important to tell the doctor about all of the problems that the injured person is experiencing and not minimize the complaints, but state all of the complaints and difficulties that the person is experiencing so that there can be a proper assessment of the injury and the proper documentation of the injury, because there's going to be a time later when the lawyer is going to be called upon to present all of the documentation concerning the case to the insurance company or to an arbitrator or to a jury. And it's important that that documentation contain all of the difficulties that the injured victim has gone through without minimizing those problems, because it helps not only in the resolution of the medical problem from the point of view of the doctor, but from a lawyer, from our standpoint, it helps us to better document the case so that we can receive, on behalf of our clients, full, fair compensation for their medical expenses, their lost earnings, and their pain and suffering.